You serious about that recoil?
I wasn't kidding. All right, don't forget the cycle on bolt now.
Not too bad, man.
Upper chest quadrant, into the neck. Deadbeat.
I wanted the head though. I was aiming for the head.
Got the head. Or like so, like so. Like so, or like so. Take your finger off your trigger. When you're done, hold it up. I'll grab it from you, and then we'll get you there.
All right, there you go. That's 5.